So, how are you people? I think everyone are doing good. Okay, so this is the part 3, and this will be the continuation of Linux challenges. So, this is just what subdomain of the same website. I'm solving it, and if you go to that website, you can just go for this questions. Okay, so this will be the part 3, and in this part 3, you'll be having 5 questions to solve. Okay, let's start the question. So first question says that a processor on the computer what manager managed to delete all of the files in the slash bin and user bin directories. So basically this ls command and cd command, all the commands which you use inside the Linux, the information of that command will be stored in slash bin and slash user bin. So if you delete these files, then you can't what use that command in Linux, so it will not work. Okay, so it is saying the question is, the good news is that you still have a what shell prompt. The bad news is that you are only able to execute one command to complete each challenges. Okay, so this is quite interesting. Okay, from now for now, all you need to do is figure out where you are and print the current working directory. Let's check the pwd what command is working or not. So what I do, I type pwd. So if this working, then the pwd script or the programming file is present, it is not deleted. So you can also do pwd, or else you can do echo, and then you need to specify $pwd. So this will basically print variable pwd, so that will be the same as pwd. Okay, so or else you can I thought you another one in the part 1, and part 1 I guess yeah, that will be using dirs. That also you can use to print the what current working directory. Okay, just a minute, it is just running. Yeah, we got it. Okay, so the next challenge is that great, now that you know which directory you are in, you want to see what else is here. So list all of the files on a single line in the current working directory, and you would not be able to use ls command. Okay. If you don't need like if there is no working of ls command, then what I can do to print the current content in the current directory? You can also use echo command, then you can specify star. This will basically print everything in the current directory. Yeah, this works. Or else let's say you are good in programming, let's write one program that will be a for loop for I in everything. So as I showed you, you are doing echo star, that will be echo everything. So now you are telling for I in everything, so you are consider everything, and one by one you are putting to you are sending to I variable, then do echo. So you need to print that what I one by one, line by line. So I'm using -n, that will basically print it what line by line. Okay, then I space, then it's done. So if I press enter, so this will basically print what everything in the current directory. Okay, let's move for the next what challenge. That will be, oh no, you now remember there is a very important file in this directory. Display its content before the data is lost forever. Okay, just a minute. Yeah, okay. How do you do that? So if cat command is not working, then how to display the what file content? How to do? For that you can use echo command itself. You can just play around using echo command itself. That will be echo in double quotes and dollar and you need to do redirect and you need to specify the file name. That will be my destination, disser tation destination dot txt. So this will basically what redirect the content to the echo to print it in the next line or something like that. So you can see the output, I guess. Yeah, I did not crop it. Okay, so this is how you can print content. Okay, let's go for the next challenge. Okay, so there is a process in the machine that is deleting files. There is a process in the machine that is deleting a file. The first thing you want to do is identify the name of it and print the name of the process. How to do? So basically, if you need to search for the process, you basically use cmd line. That is basically to specify the command line. Okay, so you can do echo, then inside the double quotes you need to specify dollar, then we need to redirect the process, then you need to specify the process number, that will be 42, then you need to specify the cmd line. So this will basically what remove or delete that process. Okay, let's go for the next challenge. So you are doing great. Okay, so yeah, I'm doing great. So you managed to save your important files. Now that the process name, it will be good to kill it before it does any more damages. Okay, we now got the process number, that will be 42. So how do you how do you eliminate, or how do you kill that? I showed you how to do that in the Linux commands video series, and you need to use kill and 42, or else you can use kill -9 and you can specify the PID. That will basically do the same thing. Okay, so this is all up, guys. This is just part 3 of CMD challenges, and thank you for watching. Bye.